All right, let's begin our journey on writing the merge sort algorithm in Pascal. So in order to do this, I'm obviously going to have to download the compiler for Pascal. But before I do that, I'm going to create this folder for me to put the downloaded files into. So I'm going to make a directory called FPC because I will be using the free Pascal compiler. So we're going to search for that. I did a little bit of research trying to figure out, which compiler to download. So we're going to type that into Google. On sourceforge.net, there is a free Pascal compiler that you can download. So I will be grabbing this one. Yeah, this is the right one. So for me, I'm on Linux, so this is the compressed file I need. So it's going to be a tar file. I'm going to save it in that folder that I just created called FPC. All right, so this is downloading. Once that's done, we can go ahead and begin installing it. So basically, to install it, all you have to do is unzip it and run the install script. There's an install script in there, and that will install the free Pascal compiler. So pretty much you just write your programs in whatever text editor or IDE that you want to, and then you compile the program just like pretty much any other program. So you write it, you compile it, and then you can run it. So I'm still waiting on this compiler to finish downloading. All right, looks like it is finished. So let's pull up let's actually minimize that. Okay, so I tried to make this bigger. Hopefully you guys can see that. All right, so I need to go into this directory. There is the zip file right there, the FPC 3.2.0, whatever. So I'm going to run the command tar -xvf, and then I'm going to put it in that file name. Now I have decompressed the file, and as you can see, there it is. Let me change directories into this file, and there's the install script right here. So now in order to run this install script, we just need to type in sudo./install.sh, and then type in your password / I'm going to put it in /user/local. All right, and now it's installing it, all the files and binaries that we need. I guess I'll install the documentation. Yeah, demos too. Just leave it in there. All right, looks like it created all the files it needs to. So now if I look in my user local bin folder, I should see an FPC. Okay, so this FPC is what we're going to use to compile our programs. So let me go ahead and write a quick hello world program. I did look up the syntax before this video, so I kind of have a feeling of how to do this. I'm going to actually go back up to my main directory here. Okay, and here I'm going to create a new file called hello world, and then give it a .pas as the file extension. And then inside of here, we're going to type, I believe it's program, and then you type in the name of the program, which will be hello world, and then I think you type begin. I'm not sure if there's anything else you need to type after that. All right, then to print a line out to the screen, we're going to use write line. So similar so far to everything else. And then hello world. Semicolon. So in this language, there are semicolons. And then for some reason, you put a dot at the end. I don't know the why, but you put a dot at the end there. And I believe this will run. I'm going to try it, and we will see. So you just type to compile the program. You just type FPC and then the name of the program, which I named hello world.pas. Now, I'm not sure if the file name has to be the same as the program name that you put inside of the file, but I just did that just to be sure, because I know in Java you need to do that. So I'm type hello world.pas, and I think it compiled. So let's run it to make sure that everything is good. And there we go, hello world. All right, so this is the beginning. Now I actually have to write the merge sort algorithm. So I probably should I make a separate video? Yeah, I'll probably make a separate video, because this was just installing Pascal. So I can just put this out as a Pascal installation video. And in the next video, I will actually be implementing merge sort. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel and all that jazz. And I will see you guys in the next one.